Let us have a look at the next topic, that is a fact table. A fact table consists of various measurements. It stores the measures of business processes and points to the lowest detail of each dimension table. So, in simple terms, it means that a fact table consists of metrics, it consists of measurements or facts or quantities that describe the fact table of the business process. So, which is having details about the business process in terms of measurements, metrics, and quantities or facts is called as a fact table. The fact represent the how much or how many aspect of a question. So when we talk about quantities or measurements or metrics, the question that we ask is how much or how many, which returns a definite number. Example, price, product sales, product inventory, etc. Then we have three types of facts: additive facts, semi additive facts, and non additive facts. So, what are additive facts? Additive facts are those facts which can be added or summed up together. For example, like you have want to find out the total sales in the last 6 months. So you will be able to add the sales for each of the month. First, find out the sale for the each month in the last 6 months, and then try to add it. So that will be giving you the additive fact. So the next that we have here is semi-additive facts. These are the facts that can be summed up for some dimensions in the fact table, but not all. Means you can add these facts for certain dimensions, but you cannot add them for all the dimensions. Like for example, suppose we consider the attendance of employees of an organization for March 31st, that is the last day of the month. The attendance was 23 employees were present. Then we consider again the attendance at the end of April. So that is April 30th, we consider the attendance to be, the attendance that is there is just 15 employees. So this is added for one particular month. But you cannot add these two attendances and say that the attendance of the employees for the last 2 months was around 50. So here we see that these facts we can add only for certain dimensions, and these cannot be added for all the dimensions. The third type that we have is non-additive facts. Non-additive facts are the facts that cannot be summed up for any dimension present in the fact table. So your examples include could be the temperatures, the weather temperatures. Another example could be wherein an employee, imagine a grocery store wherein an employee or the local shop at the local shop store is going to sell a particular product to the customer, and he's going to make a profit of say 40%. There is employee 2 who also is going to make a profit margin to this particular grocery store, and he makes a profit margin of 50%. So both the employees are making different profit percentages here, but we cannot add both of these employees profit margins, and we cannot say that the total profit margin for the particular shop on a particular month is around 90%, because the profit margins are only for individual customers and not as a whole. So these are non-additive facts. The next topic that we have is about dimension tables. So we'll cover this in the next video. Have a look at some of the other examples of non-additive facts, that is textual facts, per-unit prices, percentages and ratios, measures of intensity, averages, and factless.